Hello, dears. Hello, big up yourself, Storm Wheel. ITT, up. Up, dap, da, 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 dap. Da, 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 dap. More Tanya upon a live here. Tell us some more time to come show Nicole picture and show my picture. Yeah? More my picture show and Nicole picture show. Not post time now, cause we come for post wicked and wild pan. You go like anytime you go command me, I command pan it for post wicked and blood clot while. Yeah? Tanya, where they invite your blood clot self and can't find my friend Karrlene TG. Yeah? Send it to your Karrlene, yeah? Yeah? Invite yourself, Tanya. You blood clot Nicola, you me a come for right now. Right now. Nicola me a come for you now. Blood clot self bed without blood clot diary. Careless diary, you add on your blood clot self cause you like sure. Tanya,
Yeah, auntie.
I don't want the dolly where you show today. I want a different dolly picture of myself. Come dolly up now, blood clot for me age. Nicola, you want put on a blood clot iron board and
nice
shape
out. Pussy a bit for morning.
Dolly blood clot up. Find me dolly picture there. Emily doll. Put on Emily doll, Tanya.
Yeah, put on Emily.
Emily doll, come in. Emily doll, come in. Yeah. I know the people them are wait for hear my voice. Long blood clot time. Hi, Emily doll.
Hi, auntie.
Yes, hold on there. One woman with ear pan her blood clot tongue when name Nicole. Nicola, you are the hungry God girl. God put ear pan your tongue. Ear in a body hole, ear pan front, ear pan head, ear on the arm, Nicola. Me come for address you. You say me left my pussy at Jamaica, you mad no blood clot, Nicola. Nicola, let me tell you, oh, my pussy go before me start. Class your ear tongue, blood clot. Nicola with a wally pie ear pie your blood clot tongue. Me I gotta tell you, oh, my little bit of teeny little pussy come. And how it blood clot go. I want blood clot name when I talk about. To one woman we married to a man over 20 blood clot here. Every time you come on, you're the pan Tony Rere. Nicole, me address you, no old blood clot, ear tongue, pussy clot. Nicole, let me tell you this. You see when me come a blood clot, America, 21 years ago, me did have 2 children. And me carry them with blood clot me. Me did have a little cat when he found the house stop a blood clot Jamaica. And me carried, me made the little cat get blood clot visa. The cat come a foreign and blood clot married and God. I have Wally for keeping and town city in a blood clot America. Nicole, when me come a Jamaica, me no leave nothing a blood clot, Nicole. Nicole, the only thing me leave when me leave a blood clot Jamaica is my relative them. And my relative them have a big blood clot house. You understand? You understand what them call it? Blood clot rent. Not all house like a pussy own up down a blood clot, be sure. Not all yard when a toilet not there. Nicole, let me tell you blood clot this, Nicole. Oh, you have to come for me, Nicole. I mean him down where they do want suck my pussy, you know. I mean him down where that go to tongue with the ear pan a show, you know. Nicole, I mean when him down where that invite, you know. Wait tell me say you're gonna lick me from my top to my bottom and I ask you where blood clot mean. And you long out your blood clot tongue and my sister appear the pan your blood clot tongue, Nicole. Dirty Nicole, all close blood clot government, Nicole. You walk and something like that. Cause Uncle Dog alone me still lick pussy back for you. Nicole, oh, you have to take on me, Nicole. Nicole, I mean say clean pussy, good husband, and good blood clot pussy around here. Nicole, I mean say big man blood clot dolly. 2 weeks from now, me have 53 blood clot year old. And put with the little girl them under 40 aside. Where they from a blood clot team, a red blood clot team.
Feel nice.
None of uno. You understand? Over there, so over team can't look like blood clot me. You understand? Number one, you're gonna name and you're gonna bring on down the blood clot like Nicole, you're married to a man with a funeral blood clot woman. And him is not a direct time wash blood clot dead. Him skin cocky and him fuck pussy in the funeral blood clot home. Him when him dead, them a go down him keep out the jacket off of the blood clot dead them. Before him bury the blood clot keep them. Nicole, the people your husband walk from church to church and collect a bag and bring home to you. Nicole, you weigh 400 and blood clot add for Nicole. Nicole, you have two breasts big like a blood clot car tire. Play by blood clot, Nicole. You play by blood clot, real blood clot, barrow. Rat them out blood clot, puss. Oh, you mean you're not even a nose. Puss, my mother born with blood clot complexion. Tanya find on I'm a pretty blood clot dolly up picture. You understand? Remember,
Wait, auntie,
me a blood clot golden age. I'm on that blood clot, you know, come here 53. You know, two blood clot. And if I match blood clot, Nicole to me, we don't favor blood clot, Domino. No favor blood clot crystal and Nicola, you favor a big blood clot box. Nicola, oh, you have to talk to me. Nicola, your girl no wear blood clot drawers because you can't find your blood clot side. You have on your blood clot skirt and you have on your drawers and it look like you have on a skirt. Nicole, I'm not washing no part of your blood clot. More than your long blood clot shirt where you have. I never wash your face because you're ugly in a blood clot. More you lift up your blood clot clothes and show them your leg and show me say you're smooth and nice and you're good for your blood clot. Nicole, I'm not fuck me iron on the one another like blood clot. Wait for talk to me. Nicola, your girl will sit down on live and you know say you go and put her fuck. And you did you beg you go and blood clot but you hold Philip out like your kitty a little blood clot but Nicole, oh you have to talk to me and you can't show your children. You can't show the man where your blood clot married to you. Nicole, move your blood clot and go in and you're careful of clean your blood clot. Grab those name off your blood clot tongue because you walk and suck pussy. Or if you come talk to me, Nicola, you get irritated. I know you just irritated and sadly. You go where you there, pick up yourself straight, don't go ask to stay there. Let me show you how my anger them raggedy blood clot nasty. Big fat fuck out dog, yeah. Nicole, you fuck from your idea, your blood clot in me. You go in a church, you fuck. You come out back, you fuck. Nicole, you walk and circle the world like when you must circle blood clot Africa. With your eerie blood clot tongue. Nicola, oh, if you talk to me. Nicola, when you hear people call down blood clot name, zip up your blood clot mouth, zip it right down to your pussy. Because your pussy big now, blood clot, it want a zip. Man walk up in a funnel like blood clot soldier marching a blood clot up park camp. You uku where your pussy make nice like blood clot washing machine. Mad girl blood clot uku. Anytime Tanya come here, you go blood clot, you scream a blood clot like I watch a scream. You understand? So all you for come talk about. Move it down, get master washing machine. Washing machine for make blood clot nice, pussy enough for make nice. You handicap blood clot girl ukubit. Ukubit you walk and fuck down UK no blood clot. Ukubit you's a nothing. You pass zero, you are nothing. You cannot argue with me. Look, Ukubit. Let me tell you something. I argue with girl when I have no ambition. Ukubit, you're full of STD, ZZZ, all kind of blood clot disease. Come in and know where the disease them name because me never blood clot have none yet. Ukubit, the whole of the disease blood clot clinic them know you in a UK. Ukubit, when you hear good woman name a call, go sit down one blood clot side. Ukubit is a handicap. And you're a mad blood clot girl. You're a dirtiness and you're a nasty. Ukubit so all you for call my good night clean blood clot. Yeah.
Put it down. Put it down.
Sam, are you this one? Come on.
What? No.
Storm, is you that?
I'm
not sure if I stand this. Let me see if I stand. Emily, Emily, come up. Okay. Hold on there. You understand? Dirty, old, stinking, old Ukubit. Ukubit, your pussy coming like pumping station. A beer shit come out of it. Handicap, nasty blood clot, Uku. Washing machine for blood clot, nice. You can't silent cast a dirty clothes in it. Look from the sodomite when you not get nothing for your pussy. Your tongue ear in a blood clot. Cocky not come with ear. Cocky come smooth and it come with blood clot vein pan it. For sure says a good fuck. Nicola, look on the man the way you fuck. The man the
Nicole,
way
remember
you
say
fuck.
the
You don't
lesbian
walk in
girl
a 20 rare
house,
shoes,
you know,
Nicola.
me a go
The
drop
man the way you fuck.
paperwork
That same 20 name the way you call. The man they couldn't even pass him in a blood clot dance. Cause the man they smell like dope in a blood
our
clot.
husband
Nicola me couldn't walk with no pussy and this on a pussy so. Nicola do not know if we do it on a pussy. When me a drop, when me a work, you know, let me down. Yeah, Nicola, you big no blood clot and favor old pillar. Nicola, you coming like the house of puss have a be sure. No window, no blood clot, no bathing on the blood clot step. Nicola, make you not move your ear tongue blood clot and go. Nicola, you can't ride with me because you're a blood clot donkey. Nicola, me is a blood clot eagle. You can't reach me because I'm way up in the sky. Me no argue with worm in a blood clot dirt, Nicola. Oh, the blood clot. Oh, look at the blood clot.
Karrlene.
Yes, Karrlene. Argue with blood clot. You walk on me and belly like a dog, but can't turn around and back in blood clot. Pick me. Yeah.
Yes,
Don't
send
you
for the good
run
neighbor,
down out by
Auntie.
the blood clot, girl. You me attack now. Yeah, pick up yourself
Put
too.
it on her head, cause alle picture eat up blood clot, Simone head tap and Simone blood clot, eyelash and eyebrow and everything. Your dirty blood clot, mama Simone. Simone make a man fuck out your blood clot mouth of your hole. Dirty nasty uku the time when you buy blood clot cocky. Your son a walk and a sell blood clot drugs. They can't blood clot if you money
You know
for
what,
them one
boy?
pair of shoes.
This dirty one on the
That's
Tanya,
suit.
wait there. This dirty, big, comfortable blood clot looking woman with the ear on her blood clot tongue.
She
Over
auntie, me
puss,
show
but
ya.
you called done. Oh, Dan pussy for left at Jamaica, you mad no blood clot. Me no
Who
fuck
said that?
blood clot, workless
She.
man. And she keep
Lady
on calling
Augusta.
Tony name,
She.
calling Tony name. I want
Fuck out your blood clot.
Tony name,
She.
calling Tony name. I want to fear man. Go on, Tanya.
Them can call at the man name that the man wouldn't want them to blood clot. The man will spit on them.
I where
Twang!
Nicola go?
Nicola, where you go? Nicole, you want go on a blood clot iron board, not even you. Your mother
That's
want
something
go
they send
on
me,
an
love.
iron board and fuck over and fuck on the iron board.
Bust
And
it, my
build your blood.
auntie. Bust it
Nicola,
up.
the whole of
Bust
your
it
blood
up.
clot knee creep out. We want to see the blood clot floor we print by your knee.
But look on Nicole and she a come at her up. Them
F-L-O-O-R
not
by your blood
see.
clot knee.
Why
You
should they
walk
act like one
and
big
bend down on a
man?
girl no blood
Asha
clot.
16
Yeah.
Me not understand. Me not understand. Me don't know how them a get involved in it. Everybody just about the one look at arguments.
Yeah.
So me not understand.
Call
Look
them
on this big blood clot, stay bad sodomite.
cockroach. Then we are come out, man, but we have every element for every cockroach. We are come from a friend, so no go on.
Turn on the Bob Spur, girl.
Nicola, no, don't do it, Nicola. Nicola, you say my pussy left in a dance hall. Me a legend in a blood clot dance hall. Me a
Nicole
golden
like
blood
Miss Papa
clot
coming
girl
as
in a blood
SpongeBob.
clot dance hall. Me a diamond when you grab a blood clot select a
Nicola
blood
like the pop,
clot
the something
night.
coming as
Everybody want
SpongeBob,
to
the
see
pop,
them.
the starfish them.
Yeah. Look on her body. Sit down, she sit down, or stand up, she stand up. Wanna be real with me.
Stand up.
I watch you sit down or stand up. Nicola, your favorite crocodile, no blood clot. Nicola with a plastic blood clot, ear pass your blood clot, ears touch by your blood clot.
Nicole with the rotten home. Rotten home, Nicola, your home rotten.
Young catch Nicole.
Nicole is so cool.
Hey, Nicola.
Nicola want to pout you.
Big up
Nicola want to put a leech by your neck. Nicola want to put a leech by your neck.
Nicola, your tongue is a washing brush. It walk and tear up girl pussy tongue. Remember, say you beg me to suck in on Nicola. I'ma ask you what you mean when you come into my door.
Nicole. One come back wire about my friend old boy.
Move your blood
You go
clot
cut
and
up
when
dance.
Nicola with the blood clot, I have come and from my bottom come straight up to my nice little teeny pussy tongue. Nicola, where you want? Nicola,
So
your pussy
Nicola said I'm
tongue turn
right.
sideways like when fish a flip up them tail.
Then she said I'm right.
Yeah,
Then she
Yeah.
said I'm right.
yeah,
You
Yeah.
Kupanar.
there?
Kupanar.
Big woman like she said I'm right.
Big dirty woman like she a sodomite. I know see a woman with blood clot curve like me, you know. You not have no curve, you stay bad no blood clot. Stick to the little old maga man where you have, Nicole. And go barber, make them shear off the blood clot ear off of your tongue. Coop on your blood clot. How kind of watch up on the pink boat? How the blood clot? This is what she this. Yeah. Nicola, you look like you come from an awful looking blood clot generation. Yeah? Nicola, really you come for me? Nicola in a blood clot dance, me golden.
A pussy feelings,
Yeah.
you in a gangster.
Yeah, pussy feelings, Nicola care for me. Nicola, be a bad man, fuck me, Nicola. No, never stick me up with a gun yet and fuck me, Nicola.
Gunman in she hole.
Yeah.
Grind.
Yeah, the girl all the pan light, the girl all the pan phone call with Hugo, I beg Hugo fuck. Girl,
Yeah.
you work.
Nicola,
You tell me so your tongue is a snake. I'm afraid a snake now blood clot, Nicola. Nicola, I'm afraid of snake. That's why I'm not go to Florida. You have a snake tongue and your blood clot mouth. Dirty Nicola, you couldn't fuck me. Dirty Nicola, stop beg me for suck my pussy. Me think you did disappear, but me never know so you still there on and carry pussy feelings, Nicola. Nicola, stop carry pussy feelings for me come here, got dead and you never I got suck my pussy. Nicola, the ear them on your tongue one trim. Christmas I come make your tongue look. Nicola, you need some blood clot clothes. Dirty Nicola, go fixing your blood clot house. Nicola, you push resemble a blood clot like when God I make on a cut on him, put on the side and side. And cut on a blood clot out and fling one a blood clot New York and fling one a blood clot England. Nicola, your favor upstand blood clot down. Your body where you
Nicole favor like when S turn upside down, dirty woman. Come up from my anti-blood clot name.
Yeah.
Bottom belly rap blood clot, Nicole do come anti name near shit up, puss up blood clot, head pan near blood clot, dirty Nicole do come anti name near stinking mouth. Come anti no fuck woman a blood clot, a real hard stiff cocky now over. She want like cocky now over, dirty Nicole. Nicole, she don't want a poison when tin tongue, dirty woman. She don't want them tongue that her tongue look poison or blood clot. Nicole, don't come auntie name a blood clot, come auntie na sodomite, dirty woman.
Dirty
Don't
blood
come
clot,
auntie name
Nicole.
so outside.
Nicole favor auntie also the children.
Nicola carry pussy feelings. Nicola, she know why you. Nicola, she know why you suck her and poison her.
Yeah.
She know why you suck her and slow poison her. Nicole, move your big no sweet tongue, no blood clot. Nicole, I want to scream some. I want to scream half dozen lime in your sour mouth. Dirty shit up, Nicole. Oh, who from out that?
I post blood clot mouth. I from
Jesus.
my friend fear blood clot brother and the prodigal blood clot son come back home. All of them are run
Mighty
out
God.
move on a blood clot and go where you gonna never want blood clot. Look in a post mouth.
What Godzilla mouth to blood?
Tanya, me say me why you put up me nice dolly blood clot picture, make them see when big woman dolly up. When big woman golden, Karrlene. No, you not send the dolly picture with me and blood clot you over Tanya now. Send the golden blood clot girl award picture with myself, double deck. Go, I big up yourself too. Dirty blood clot post. Post when you don't stop with, and that's an old blood clot one day we are face all like when you put up the blood clot first and it drop down back and licking at your blood clot.
I'm go for anti picture.
Oh no blood clot. I want to know all bum girls. Yeah, all bum girls. I want to know.
Cockroach,
Dirty old man girl. Watch from that Dahlia, can't blood clot short. Look from the blood clot Dahlia. Me want, hey, me I bet your blood clot.
That in stucky, darling.
Yeah, this
Stucky,
was
darling.
yes, the blood clot, dear. This wasn't when I was 15 or when I was 16. This I yesterday I got to a blood clot party last week. One blood clot night. Look on blood clot Dali. Me I go put up in the blood clot store them and everybody I go rub the dolly ear, touch the dolly breast. And that dolly I go sell off no blood clot post.
Yeah, catch a golden, catch golden right
Nicole, you know say golden
Golden
trophy.
right
You know see
show.
me all I hide me trophy blood clot pussy. Come in no one Nicole see me pussy through me dress and I'll use her tongue and lick it
Yeah.
off through the blood clot phone. Nicola, you bite pussy no blood clot. Pussy tongue blood clot, Nicola. Me never want your tongue wash out my blood clot hole because you got to take out the whole of the sweetness out of it. Dirty Nicola, you have to in a blood clot dark. Nasty Nicola, why all the time you think you can come to me? Nicola, no bleach, my bleach, you know that are the real blood clot 110%. When my mother give me Nicola, when you come
Yeah,
on
Tanya
this blood
told her
clot,
thing
yeah,
them.
and you say you're going to argue with me. If you don't look like Mitchie Boo, if you don't look like Queen Gangster, Suki, if you don't look
Yeah.
like Tanya, if you
Me
don't
too
look like
nice,
all of my blood
auntie
clot
them.
people,
God, friend
good
them,
blood
yeah.
clot team, you understand, Sam? You understand the whole of my team right now, my head at my cable. Remember all of the blood clot name them parasite. Don't come and
Team
try
up.
me, Nicola. Nicola straight cocky to my blood clot hole, not even a blood clot dildo. Nicola with the vein them in your blood clot tongue will stand up. Nicola, your tongue can use and skip to the loose, skip to the loose, skip to
And
my
then me
loose, my
show you
baby.
who a
Move your blood
class,
clot
my
and go
auntie.
talk it big up yourself straight. Hugo, let me tell you something, Hugo. I'm sorry you just come out and just make the wrong blood clot turn. So, because we did have
Yeah.
a sweet blood clot, girl for blood clot. Yeah, I'll look. They're going to
How
start
would
like
I
you
give
go laugh
Erica
my blood clot eye. When me see
a
them
big foot,
old
a
mother,
coffee foot,
great on
give?
blood clot, old girl
Who
there.
never give you a coffee foot?
Leave her
A
alone.
coffee
Mr.
foot.
Happy, she
A
want
coffee
blood
foot
clot.
friend, it was, man.
She,
A
she,
coffee
she
foot friend,
listen,
it just.
when she was over here, she have class and she have dignity. And she go going at the dirty rubbish pan, blood clot food, and them tear her down. Bad to bad, beat a man and give him right. When she was over here, she never hide her blood clot face. Yeah, you understand? She did up like a blood clot Christmas tree, but the people them where you
With a
start with,
rap on
and the
her
people
head.
them where you
With
friend
a
with,
rap
they
on her
can
head,
mash you know.
gangster. When Erica come out with the rap on her head and the two pencils, them, what
And
them
she
hide
never
that?
hide her face. She never hide her body. She
Where
never
she
hide
hide
nothing
now?
for her because she did blood clot trending. Me don't know about her now.
No,
Me not talk
Tanya.
about this goddess
Tanya body
and
take over
gazella.
the place.
Tear up.
Tanya have
Hey,
baby.
Nicola, you tear up like dog, but
I
you know,
look
and
blood
tear up your
clot,
crotches.
brother.
I'm there trying to do my tree. Don't have no time for these people. I'm
My
come to
birthday
my
come
friend and
before
lie
my
them a tell.
tree.
And lie them a tell.
Yeah, she gone join the dirty bungle crew and she said take her down. You see me not spar with dirty people. Me not spar with old clothes. Me not spar with bagger looking blood clot people. Cause the Bible says show me a company and tell you who
Tell
your
her who
blood
you
clot
are, yeah.
are. You have to up for me. Yeah, you have to up for me. Nicola, how you come at Nicola, I know me not know you. Mr. Tanya show some picture them
Oh, you're
time
bad,
there.
man,
You
so.
understand? Hey, Tanya,
Eh?
hold on there. Tanya, hold on there.
Yeah, yeah,
We could
auntie.
go a little further. Play to a Nicola song with she sing when she beg pussy. You can't find it right now. I will
But
put
the
it over
you
later.
know what's them
Nicola, you walk
road
and
when
beg
them
pussy
park
like no
all
pastor
them
over there.
evidence them.
Nicola, you
Murder.
don't tell us to come for me, go get up. Nicola, you want to go a chop and then use a cutlass and chop out your back. And start chop you like them cane man a shave about
You
blood
know.
clot coconut and cane. Nicola, you stay bad, you know, leave blood clot IG. Come off a Hugo name. Hugo IG fit you. It no fit blood clot Nicola. Nicola still bad. I want to tell you the
Yeah.
truth. Puss look better than blood clot Nicola and puss look like she blood clot dead. Puss dig up a blood clot hole and drop yourself in a Isla 9 like to get push up and you dead about 200 times. Move your stay bad blood clot and stop call blood clot Hugo name. Don't old pussy coming like them a fix it and it can't fix. Pussy in your mouth favor and both toilet, a rocking board, blood clot toilet. Want some blood clot
Don't
thing.
sit up,
Hook a
gangster.
bit.
Them
Hook
can't
a
take
bit.
you.
Hook a bit. Who could be you have too much blood clot ticket for your infectious disease, blood clot card in England.
Not
Who
chlamydia
could
mouth.
be your all run water and a blood clot like a PCR paste. It could be wash me machine for make blood clot nice. Guys have to ring out the blood clot water and it have to wash again. But why
London
your
Park.
pussy make nice?
London Park, Mount Uku. Right
Uncle
there,
bitch,
it's all over London.
Uncle, your pussy tear down
You
London
can't
blood
come
clot
to me,
break.
my
Every
friend, and
man
wear me a
fuck
Buddha's
Uncle
in
bitch
a
have a
town.
piss pan Uncle bitch. Uncle bitch where you go? Eh? Look later you go come. Do
Da!
ask people from your mind when you call Uncle bitch. Uncle bitch, me not know when you call me blood clot name. Uncle bitch, you
Oh
want to
God,
bring me over this back?
pardon the handicap.
Doing my tree.
You understand? You're part of the handicap, Tanya. When every time the handicap hear something she come out, Antonia and Dawn, who could be move your blood clot, your pussy make nice like when helicopter try to start and it can't blood clot that. Who could be your pussy make nice like when the step on my blood clot gas and not turn on the car. Who could be me carry the pan blood clot park. I'm a turn on and it turn on. I'm a press on the blood clot gas. You understand? And it go, I saw your pussy make nice. Who could be is a workless dog? Sure, look a boy, Tanya. Who could be you look a boy need a shoes? Who could be? Who could be my son just keep a blood clot?
Nah, but sure Kirk's son, you know, cause Kirk are the mother and the father.
Kirk blood clot lucky. Who could be to walk with our pussy and make nice like when you step on the blood
Tell us
clot?
that she not show
And the
Kirk
blood
child.
clot break.
And
Yeah.
a Uku child, she's only a fucking
Kirk
carrier.
child. A Kirk
She's
child.
a cock. She's a
She just a
fucking
go now.
cocoon. Yeah.
Who could be your
Just
who could be it?
surrogate
Who
it,
could be it?
woman.
Where to go one side? Who could be it? Every
The
blood.
tree a
Who could
come.
be? You see in my area where me live, Brooklyn. Let me tell you about my life in a Brooklyn. In a blood clot, Brooklyn, me a golden blood clot girl a party trending.
Right,
Trending
true,
golden
right,
blood
true.
clot girl. You see
Right,
which one
true.
come from a Jamaica, me a blood clot legend. You understand? Everybody know my name. The topic of my blood clot name is Good Pussy Dan. Yes,
Yeah.
sexy blood clot Dan. Who could be me not take common out, that's why me not buy blood clot race sauce. Who could be you coming like a race ass in a dog blood clot race? Yeah.
Aye.
Post, you can't get no more money, yeah. Put when you get here, you're going to hear some boy push blood clot drop out. Put your
Kill
boy
herself.
from the woman blood clot son name all day long in your life. And you know so you're not getting no cocky. Post, you go and you a fuck and you just a fart. So brap. You go to the fart them stink it killing blood clot nature at the same time. Post, you are the hungry dog shit. Yeah? You know, go and watch you come in for me because me a blood clot DJ. You know, when me a DJ, me can't blood clot read and DJ. Post.
Yeah, me I watch.
Remember, say you're shitting on when you turn on for blood clot flush it all your blood clot 4 teeth up at top. Drop out and instead of you make it blood clot, go on and go to the dentist tomorrow. You take it blood clot up and throw the same water where you use, wash your shit, and put it back in your blood clot mouth. You go say from that him never kiss you. Big old dungeon, old black blood clot, old blood clot. Puss your fart too much. Puss your piss up too much. Puss your talk about your nah give me no knowing. Move your blood clot. You see, I watch my blood clot picture. And sit down and I watch my life. And you say you look a baby, you look a grandbaby. Where a grandbaby named Karrlene?
Trinity.
Trinity press like from my blood clot picture. Then Trinity know the good things, them and you know the good things, them. Dirty old woman, stinking old woman. When you turn on your life and you hear anybody say, yeah, me go call that name. I'm glad how you said don't call that name. Move your blood clot and go push the last paradosis blood clot gone. You think so Tanya did I go leave her nice, good looking, brown skin blood clot brother with him little old what you say? and give you, and him know, and she knows you're big, you're old big, while the boy old small, big old blood clot, pussy coming like when you're on a swing song, and you stretch out your foot so, and somebody push you when you put up your foot so your foot now gone away, but in the blood clot here, dirty old woman now call me name. Stinking old blood clot Nicola with the ear on your tongue, jukey in a blood clot. Marry that one in a blood clot, America. You live America. Woman can't marry to woman. You're married to the stable blood clot man, and you're not blood clot feeling. Go and marry to a blood clot woman now. You stink now blood clot. You're coming like them big dirty blood clot chucker. With them two blood clot all things, and when them are brought down blood clot house span side. How it go?
My friend, you know. So my friend for your patient and a care innocent people there, you know.
When me a blood clot go for una, me go for pussy can't smell a blood clot. Hey, Karrlene, let me tell you what happened for life this morning when you gone Christmas shopping. Mama, Tanya go some boom and start show some picture for post. Every time Tanya put up a picture for post, you go lock in the eye. You go lock in the eye and hold up him head. Post, you're sick, you go blood clot stomach. Post, when you come up, when Tanya show your picture and you go send smell you through the blood clot phone. Post go blood clot.
Hey, who remember when she just reached Jamaica and you go say, oh, I'm going to set the bath for you? Because the man smell you.
Smell you no blood clot.
Fly down. You don't have to say, because it's on the plane with the air condition. Yeah? Well, cool and nice. And you just reach and the man I tell you say make him go set the bath.
You just blood clot. Him should have and him don't know your face to face. Wait a Tanya. Give me the eat them, make me rub them. Give me the eat them, because when me depend it sometimes it's somebody word them last. Just give me the eat. Alright, you give me that one day a while ago, Tanya. Tanya, hold on now. When you just reach a blood clot, Jamaica, you go supposed to have some blood clot flowers and a bottle of wine because it was the first time in meeting you. Yeah? Him should have a bottle of wine. Yeah, and some flowers. Puss him tell you, say, do you want me to set the bath for you? No draws, blood clot, puss, or if you come to me. Puss, I did that send you some draws before you got to Jamaica. You take nobody. Your face and take it. Go on, Tanya.
Nikisha, you talk over there. I call your mother, you know. I tell your mother, say, you know, I like your mother, you know. Your mother is a good woman, right? And I don't want to cuss you. And you provoke me to rat. So the time when you say me careless, me up on live and me careless, say where you is then? What you are? Them sit down for your big blood clot, stinking pussy, anti-blood clot life. I ask you something. When Puss did have Hugo cuss him family, he was a man for cuss him mother were birthing from this world. None of you never tell her, say, yo, love the mother thing. Yeah? But no, the man come and attack, but when go through her, oh, she try to kill him. Him is not a man, him is a batty man, him is a mama man, him is a panty man, all a blood clot man in the world. But it was right when the whole I would sit blood clot down. Let me tell you something, look up, pissy tail blood clot, girl. Nikisha, it's when me come on live, my house clean, my children, them are well fed, and I can blood clot come on live and rub out on the blood clot underneath. When a pussy walk and kill man like blood clot, Mac level. Yeah? And N16 and on the blood clot underneath. Go away, little girl. Go away and leave me the fuck alone. If you don't like, oh, pussy can get her own children then. Who come blood clot cause we are. No. Your auntie bring down on a blood clot pussy, bring down on a mother, talk all type of things about her. But you come talk about me, Kaylee. So blood clot, dry up spit.
Tanya, where you go there? Where you go there, Tanya?
I don't know if I'm there in the comic section.
Let me invite you go from my blood clot live, yeah? Puss, you go look good.
Yeah, you go look
good. You go dance where your blood clot. Then come in for the gangster live. Come, you go come beaver me up, my puss blood clot here.
The man
Karrlene, where you left for?
For a beg. Me not have a beg rallying for fuck.
Karrlene.
Without clothes, with clothes, as in blood clot, see me, just my vice, and him cocky stand up. You have to beg, man, please, Hugo, please fuck me. And the man I tell you, say you're underneath, rotten. You forgot beard, brush your blood clot, stinking gum.
Karrlene, where you come off for?
Up them with the alligator, but anyway, you're the only blood clot, walking, talking alligator will come out of the blood clot pan and let loose pan blood clot earth for terrorize people. So you got them come. Your dirty stinking hole. But now stop blood clot to rub you out. And who not like it, who not have my address on the blood clot, pull up. Who not pull up.
Yeah, Karrlene,
Yes,
yes, you got see your whole lot there, make us see if I can get you.
See blood clot fuck with me. You want cocky, you know, take cocky and go where you have
You
blood
go.
clot,
When we
go.
send you the
Man.
request, come on, pan this car, pay pretty people they pan it.
You sit down for the life of morning. I tied up my house, my kids them uniform. Wash and I go press tomorrow. I'm a pussy beard and nice and clean. I'm a brush my teeth. Yeah, my clean.
You go see them send for you. Me send for you go.
Upset with my brother. I can't want my brother for fuck.
Yeah, you
I'm
go
not
come
sure
show your pretty self.
with the man.
Yeah,
Don't be
everything
mind
you
people
want,
think
brother
them
for
kind
fuck.
of thinking there.
You want
They
your
don't know
brother for
about
fuck.
brotherly
You want
love.
your brother.
Go on.
Them don't know
Yeah,
about
you
love.
go,
You can't say
yeah.
it?
My blood clot.
See him
brother,
some war
that
for
me
blood
say.
clot, Tanya, for the
Nah,
3
stop
years,
blood
you go.
clot, love
Never
him. Go
else
fuck
Tanya
with no
war for
mother.
blood clot, you too.
Yeah.
3 years straight, we war with blood clot, them for you, me nah stop.
Nah, blood clot, stop. I say I love my blood clot, brother. That my bumbo pussy blood clot say. I'm a nah stop love him. Oh, it blood clot go. Wanna feel say because our brother and sister love them one another. We are same mother, we are same father. So we grew up with blood clot love. Go suck no mama go.
Rub down you go, rub our blood clot, the one with the ear pan, our blood clot tongue
Dirty
with them
blood
and blood
clot.
clot something with you.
We are come get bright. She knows that she
Which
want the
one?
blood clot cocky.
The one with
Suck
the ear
out
pan, our blood clot
Nicole.
tongue, Nicola.
Sodomite, Nicole. Nicole, me go lift
That
up back your
two-face,
blood
man.
clot document them.
She a
Boy, ya
two-face.
work, Nicole, you can't come tell my body go look work. Ya work.
Regular syrup.
Nicola work what she have for drive round and suck pussy. And our tongue now gonna blood clot because the people them want a smooth tongue with vein in it blood clot. And Nicola tongue now have no vein, it have vein.
Erica run fear head, you know. She afraid of Erica, you know.
We are said.
Yeah.
Them for the green giant. Them for that Johnny.
Erica used to bother if she and puss.
She should want to suck Erica pussy, but Erica never get her pussy because bad too bad we never get just sodomite yet.
You don't know that. No business about that.
Auntie Berry say.
I forgot.
Otherwise.
I forgot Karrlene.
The
I
bird.
forgot. I forgot.
So all of them are
Forgot the
sodomite.
part of Karrlene.
If you get. Let them secret boss. Lord God.
Yeah, you go me understand this. Or the one with the ear tongue full of ear, I call up your name. What one you go? Eh?
She?
Yeah.
I don't know. She personally, I know, so she like me still. She like try command from the boss, you know.
Which part of your boss she like underneath it all?
Right tongue.
So, yeah.
You
Love
go.
me that tongue, I like.
Should I make you get nervous now, blood clot? You go.
So have a
The one that
permanent
when you
window.
Nicole. Should I make your body tremble now, blood clot? Should I make sweat run off fire like your under blood clot crack? Cause if your tongue walk like a blood clot snake and a blood clot man body hole. And it wriggle and tickle up in a woman pussy hole, you know. The woman they when them straight bad blood clot, Nicola. Nicola, move your blood clot. I mention you why your name mention. And you want me call your blood clot name so you can start.
She bad man, me I say, yo, how she company life come talk about me? Say, she don't know me when night after night, she and Erica are phone Janet and I try coach Janet for course my family then. Eh? And then she have me one away. I talk to me and tell me, say, Janet is no good. I me must find my own way out. She and Erica, know she will come on phone and that's like me.
I saw them wicked, man. Them not like
I'm
her.
gonna tell Janet, I'm gonna tell the mad post say them never good enough. But the mad post is too mad. The program she take. You know how I couldn't program her.
You understand?
That's
Big dirty
bad.
nothing them.
And then she come call me dirty man and only I listen to one side. She knows she say everything. Even the mad woman talk, it say, I do this, I do that for her. So if a man I do things for you, how comes in go want the man? And then you say the man a dirty man. Because the man find out say you never go you yourself dirty. And you can't live the dirty and nasty life. So you don't want to come out of that. You want to stay in that pit there. So I can't stay in that pit there. I'm sorry.
You got this, yo. Dirty all mix, yo. Pan cover all miss, yo. Put barrel all miss, yo. Dirty post miss, yo. You understand?
A man in the stinking woman no beard and brush her teeth.
Yeah, business that.
What do them say? Pussy Nicole now wear good blood clot clothes. Everybody know that. Everybody know. And if pussy guy when not have no clothes, can say Nicole now wear blood clot good clothes. How it go?
She never said the whole of them crying. She even said the same woman we are talking about. Cause her to me and said the whole of them are footstool.
That's the blood clot say. She can't get gangster down for be a blood clot footstool. She can't get stamped for be a footstool. She can't get panic for be a footstool. She can't get Suki for be a blood clot footstool. She can't get Tanya for be a
another thing I want that. You know, say all the money with the people. You say my birthday and the people donate to her. Around 20,000 I'm spending time money.
Yes.
Money with the people can come give my birthday and say more than one time and say, Dave, I fix up the house, man. I have to buy 2 doors and I buy a couple tires. Bad man. Bad man. Yeah, man.
Look which part you gonna fix up to now. You go be sure. More know who want live a be sure. Homeless people live a blood clot be sure.
Yeah.
Dangerous place though. Poverty
of
makes
course.
some people that we could have bad.
It's coming like no man's land.
I say poverty there so make some people, make some niggas run this and some girl them wicked. Give some look and burn some powder.
How will you say?
What you talk about, man?
So it's like a poverty island to itself.
Everybody we are born isle and them one in that. Wobia. Them bad man. So I mean our free spirit are going up.
Work Obia and they hungry.
And them hungry and naked. That's why I push no buy no clothes. You go catch you come from a hungry naked place.
Well, I couldn't understand how she have wally for clothes, man. I'm a beg her and say, yo, stop look someone on them things. So she feel comfortable as so she like me. You can't say a hot girl and babe, so hot girl.
Puss no they will know in a hot girl in England. Puss name no mention in England. More you know where puss name mention as in England, you go kind did like for 17 years. You know how comes me know puss step on live and style every blood clot girl will look good. That's something noir.
No, I saw she even do it when she off a line, but me she cuss her sister them. But she did tell me say her sister them hate her because she get the chance to go foreign with her sister gear. So you know her sister did file her sister did want her picking them for that prison.
I like Chantel.
And then borrow money from her. And that she tell me, but then me hear from other people I say she disgrace her sister them pan.
Yeah. Yeah, depend
you go. Remember ask you a question. The pillow them where you lie down pan when you live with puss, them not have a pillow case pan them.
Stop all that.
That's why the blood clot woman that bring it down, you know, you go. Cause guess what happen now? Your body bring down everything just don't bring down, you know. I mean I ask you a simple question, you know, you go. And you shut your eye, you know. Now I ask you one more time, the pillow them have a case, you go. Your blood clot
Wow.
drop asleep this trip. Yeah? Me not gonna ask you got the pillar them have a blood clot case. We can never take one and bag our blood clot case. Right down to our blood clot and fuck her and then when you
it have a pillar case, but that's some 19 or long pillar case and them mildew and dirty, she not show it. She will wash it.
God. So you never want to put your hand on it. I understand that, my brother. Yeah.
Push and then she will wash them. Dust cake.
Jesus goodness, my glad you need the prodigal son. You return. And you have history. You return. Yeah? The prodigal son has blood clot return with a crown on him blood clot head. Back to his mother's home. Yeah. Big dirty woman boy, you there on blood clot internet I come call down you. Move your blood clot puss me
you got the people down in the comment section say if you're sleeping on the chair or the bed.
Most of the time I'm in a chair.
Jesus Christ. Hey, you go let me tell you something. When the woman they go fish snore, Tanya, me ask if fish make you go hear fish snore. Make you go say yes or no if I touch snore.
Everything there on the phone and they pan.
Okay. You could have shut up your blood clot, yeah, look over and the pan stop no man. You look say pussy never take out your teeth, then you can't smile. Hey, you have your whole of your blood clot teeth, then you can't smile and them nice and clean. You look at the hey, you look say pussy never take out some of them blood clot teeth, you know. That one they choke you. You look say pussy never lick out some of the blood clot side one them and put in a fear mouth. Hey, pussy can't get no teeth, you know.
You're bad, man.
Make sure come for me. Make sure come for me. She knows me is not the one.
One time, you know, I go down at all.
Talk true, pretty.
She asked me which part you live and I said, no, she live in her area. I said, come here, walk past here. And she wouldn't already find she wouldn't walk past here.
The girl them round there the whole yard and blood clots here some lick.
Yeah.
This which part you come from is not an easy place to know. Hey, police watch you one-on-one fight down at that blood clot.
A grimy place, man.
Okay.
You have to tough to live at them place.
Okay. But me not tell lie you go me escape with the whole
me like how you you say?
Oh, you escape with the whole of your teeth them. You look, you never have blood clots.
My father teeth. You know, say I want feeling me.
What good teeth? That's what Tanya open and look up my mouth and show good teeth too. Good blood clot.
Good teeth. We need some kingfisher toothbrush because since we come to Jamaica, I don't know I smoke weed. I use the toothbrush them and even the nicotine and go up on my teeth. So I need kingfisher toothpaste that we are England.
The bar, your sister, your nice clean sister soon come down. No worry yourself, she'll pack everything.
No man. No, she got me now.
This dirty woman and this big blood clot laugh. Big blood clot, elephant blood clot, ear tongue, blood clot girl. I look Tanya, I look back for in the phone and for fine. I message him and she saying, you understand what she saying to me? Nicole, you stay about no blood clot.
Then if Janet looking at her phone, she know my old phone, she must be a conversation with me and Erica them off and see it. Come on.
But your blood clot come for me. Puss go blood clot beard, because the first time you beard in England, because them say puss no beard.
I like
Remember say me challenge if you go beard.
Pretty, my she still there. She homesick, yeah? She miss her mother and she go spend some time with her mother. That's all. She
but
have
hear
her
me I
family
say,
there.
well I know, but even if me a shy in a day, why me now as a big man I gonna try to hold back a young girl from living her life and doing what she want. Eh? After that, me have a pussy from my forehead. Me can't watch her and tell what she had doing.
When you get you want to spend some time with her mother, you're not putting a rope on her. Because she put a rope on her.
Yeah, she have a family. She have
You see
a
me?
family, so I don't know where the fuck them live on. Them too enough.
Tanya, them say
Yeah?
Nicole go do a surgery on her tongue.
She
When you know if I
sure.
went to do that surgery, they for put some vein in her
Pretty a
tongue.
be lie them tell. You know say the woman a queen a lie, man. And I talk truth, you know. She just want nothing more bad for Hugo. You
I want
understand?
name the one Erica Anna. I want name she Anna.
She the under our type of page.
No, because she have only for 4 years. A guy will have 7 4 years.
True.
I was the IG crush that you go. Cause when you mention her name, I see a smile.
She say, yo, you boy, man. That's smart, you know, yo boy.
Blood
No, man, she
clot!
good, man.
You gonna say I'm smart, Tanya. Remember
Yo,
say me
boy.
name Diva
She good,
Twitter.
But they were on live. Everybody see how she was acting.
You gonna say me, hey, I mean you gonna know something like it, call me a good thing. You say about me. Call me Diva, you gonna call me Diva.
All right,
Hey!
the queen. All right, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was my friend still. Me not tell her lie. She was all right still, but she did hate my sister based upon Janet thing and based upon what she said. Tanya
Yeah,
said about
pretty.
her son. About her
I know
son.
say I never cuss Erica's son.
The two of them make a mistake with them one another, and all they go me and go and try to break it down. You go. You understand? Erica keep going off.
Hugo,
And all
Erica.
Yeah, but when she and Janet turned friends, she did tell me say she wasn't at the group when time my mother and my sister said me a batty man. You understand? So at that she that tell me and that did piss me off.
well, listen to this, Hugo. You understand? Camille is a real woman, you know. Your diva is a real woman, you know. You say anything where your mother and your sister say, them say it because you break them heart. Anything them say about you have to say anything them say, break them heart.
But at the same thing, at the same thing, when me tell she and tell Erica say, tell them say my family them can say anything, you understand? Them and me and people know say I'm not true, but at all what go on and them that manipulate me, they agree. I mean, I can't find sell. I mean, every time when them fuck with me head, you know, I'm gonna knock out a man. When a man fight, you know, I'm down and all, you know. I swear to you, and it could be a little thing. She tell me the shit them, I'm mad, I go out for my dinner. A man will jump in a queue before me. And I tell him, say, yo, step back and then go give me talk. A wire right there, so.
You and Maxfield we come from, you know, we don't come from country, you know, so we have the hot temper.
Yeah, is it me? So it's like she that manipulate me. I mean, I say, all my people, if I say them things, and what kind of idiot thought that and rare.
You go, me tell her what
so,
she do.
You know, things...
When you and her, the kick off, you know, yeah, and her, she tape you. But she question you, and she tape you, and she send them, come give me. I'm going to make you hear all of them. I make you hear all man. Of them. Yeah.
Yeah, man, because she manipulate me, man.
That she do.
I know, man. You see me?
I make we start.
The
woman is a poisonous blood clot snake.
It's a wicked thing she do, man. It's a wicked thing she do, man. And when the judge are like, you know?
I mean, the woman.
You go hold on, them answer that question, and somebody asked on the live. Them asked if you did really love off Erica. Did you?
Okay. That's not easy, you know.
But you get to love off the girl, man. Every word but no say love off the girl, but
Erica of her man, and me Erica is not like that. Right now, Erica gonna like us all my
At that time, she never have a boyfriend. She never have a boyfriend.
Big up yourself, Erica. Big up yourself.
I wear the blood clot. It's a one from a blood clot life, Tanya. Hey.
Fair enough.
Yeah,
we over.
Yeah. I'm not really problem with her and
let me tell you the truth, Hugo.
But them are woman, so I can't really get
All
involved.
right, let me tell you about the truth with me and her to Hugo. Is a girl that me didn't really check for. She have a good ways them, but when she turn around, you know, like when you turn the key in at the door, is a different woman. You understand? So if she don't call my name, she don't call your name.
She have a short temper, you know. Mad short temper. When she get mad, Yo, I tell you, I listened to it before she on the phone. She's crazy.
So you think you could have managed a temper them more than the ugliness then?
Talk to no Tina.
What you know, Tina them so them did see the energy between you and Erica. And when the blood clot and so they didn't really see that a one.
First time I see her, she did sexy still, not like my type. The eyes.
What you know?
But you know, I never know say her behavior, you know. She was a dangerous individual.
No, she can't trick you. She can't transform. You have to know she can't transform.
Yeah, man, I know so she can't transform. But man, me know that.
She can't transform.
Nah, go lie.
Right you know?
Erica, but Erica look better than Post by far. It's the truth.
Yeah, man, she look good, man.
Yes, on stage, it's true. Him that look better with her and with her vote feet that way there. But me I say, you go, why the blood clot? You never got your yard, man. You just go blood clot on a try
Why? Well, I don't know. I can't answer that one there. I can't answer that one there. I think the only answer I can have for that, I went to my sister, them really want to kill me.
Because she want to blame me. She want to blame me.
Them really want, because she give them the go ahead now to kill me, you know. When our place get burned now, she walk and say my sister deep and certain man are serious people where she don't know where she don't with me and say, oh dog, I fuck with she you know, she have as a rat, you know. I see serious man them. I be a laugh, them laugh off of me, she make them laugh off. Because they know so in my time in the plus I got prison for murder, plus I get to the company. So they say, oh you make sure you anger you so cause you're so pussy boy in a box out the whole lot of people out. You understand?
Yeah.
You see me?
Well, right now,
yeah, brother.
Like a fool.
Right now, still, you know, Hugo, I laugh and I bring her blood clot down because there's nothing serious about her. She's done. I see if she not call our name, we not call for her name. None of them.
And then she, you know what I can understand? She really talk out her mouth saying, you know, look about living in our yard and you try to set up man to murder her son. That man was gonna kill her son and is our baby father. Stop it. You understand? Stop it. You understand? The same people may try to set up man to kill me as well. She say I lie the whole thing.
The live I got done now 1 minute and 30 something second. I'm not go up on my good page no more. I just go up on a page and I build that page. Keep me go up on another page when I got
no, it's a depend, auntie.
I'm a good page, me depend. Cause them love report that good nice page where I have on the nice.
But you're not talk loud and I swear and them something there so.
I'm bad man.
So Tanya, so me used to get Paula bless up. So
I tell you.
Yep.
Nicole, you go like you know. Nicole, what make you have pussy problem?
Me I tell
Nicole, you know make no sense. But we're there for 15 years. So if my pussy never good, pussy could make him have to come home. Yeah? Shut the fuck up.
Live home. Live home.
And stop chat shit. You chat too much blood clot shit. Your mouth full of shit. That's every talk you talk. I be a big up yourself, Chris. I be a shit to come out of your blood clot mouth.
You're good, Chris. Are you
yeah.
Tanya, I tell him to join.
Yeah. Yeah. Join Chris.
Chris join.
Yeah, pretty me I come and laugh. Them don't have no blood clot sense. First of all, Nicole, yeah, you don't own the house. The house, Marie Sophie Lewis, right?
Drew, big up yourself.
That's why your blood clot, the house where you have dirty woman. You understand? You don't know body. You can't blood clot rub me. I have a pussy problem. I don't have none. You understand? You don't know nothing about my underneath and you will never fucking know, bitch. But where the fuck you have? You don't work. When you in
Yeah.
the blood clot group, you never did that work. You're on welfare. Suck pussy, Nicole.
Same some
Nicole, you
needs.
fool no fuck. You don't have no blood clot sense. You're big and fool no fuck. Nothing where you say no make no blood clot sense. Be a dopey story you talk. Because you say my old done and Dan old done. But oh Dan have a husband and oh me have a blood clot man. And still blood clot going strong.
I ask her
You
how
need
she
to
keep
stop.
on calling one man straight for my
Stop
name.
cuss people about man. Stop cuss people about all. Cause you don't have no blood clot all. You live in a house with man, right? And in a group, a fuck and a suck girl pussy. Obviously that your funeral die, man. We
Director.
thief the blood clot grave, rob the grave. Supposed to bury the people them in them suit and thief them suit and put on. And you come blood clot chat. You can't chat to me. You can't fucking chat to me, dildo blood clot on Nicole. Nicole, remember say you in the group them and now look girl for suck, you know. Eh? You have a pussy problem. Everybody pussy big. Everybody pussy done. Eh? And obviously you're a pussy blood clot done. Because when uno dey on the internet, but uno no want nobody dey on the internet. Kia, let's go look a job. Are you working? Are you working, Nicole? Because I know you're not working. You are
Nicole
not
rub
fucking
cocaine
working.
upon her tongue when man a snort
Mhm.
it get stiff. Nicole, remember your tongue
Nicole,
stiff when you swallow water.
when you talk about my nice blood clot, clean mother, nice clean blood clot mother, you know, it's a, me no even want to argue with you because you don't have no sense. Because you go call my mother house boardhouse. Boardhouse, you
Because
know.
she blood clot done. She don't
Every
know say
blood clot
Portmore.
body
She don't know say
over.
Portmore and
No, sir.
over those places is
Portmore house cannot
development
be
area.
fucking
So there
boardhouse,
is no
babe.
board over there. That is area
But
that is developing.
board house and worthless. Are you blood clot worthless? Look how long you there America and you don't have nothing for sure. Remember the house in our woman named Marie, the lesbian blood clot, suck pussy, gun old woman. You understand? Shut the fuck up. You chat too blood clot much.
But sister, listen to this, Nisi. Me hear say Nicole is work in a hospital, you know, when the people them drop asleep, the woman them drop asleep, Nicole a suck them pussy. And them come back up and Nicole a suck one 66-year-old woman pussy. You understand? And I so come she lose the job in the nursing home. Nicole all in a nursing home, you gotta move pampas and suck pussy. So all you have to talk to we, cocky to his thing, blood clot straight. Nicole, you suck till you take up the woman out of the wheelchair and put her on the bed and eat out underneath her. Nicole, you walk and eat pussy like how white people love jerk chicken. Yeah?
You
Dirty
can't style me,
Nicole.
Nicole.
There's no
Me
styling
laugh
for
off
you.
of you. You don't know what for cuss people. And yeah, cuss Dan, Tony Ray and this, that. Dan husband,
Bully.
nice, no blood clot.
Ma, she don't know
Nice.
what she has say. She really don't know what she has say. That's why I'm not even look on her with her Tony Ray story. But me tell you something, Nicole, you talk about blood clot, Tony Ray, been there and blood clot done that. And Nicole, make somebody show you Tony Ray. Because you want to know Tony Ray, never even, if you look at dead looking man, dead cocky looking man, can even want name a blood clot husband. Nicole, you see people come on IG and make themselves be knowing. They must have good clothes, good house, good children. You understand? And a good man where you can say to my man, yeah, I'm a husband. Nicole, your tongue,
Yeah.
ear in a blood clot, Nicole. Nicole, your tongue want go barber shop, cause ear no grow up and cocky. And your tongue, ear in a blood clot, dildo old blood clot, Nicole. Or if you talk to me, Tanya find some of her song, them when she play and she DJ and she blood clot sing. When she a beg blood clot pussy like when blind man a beg pan bumbo clot train. Nicole, you can't talk to me. Nicole, every blood clot man with me blood clot. Fuck my baby father. My husband tell anybody we a blood clot. They can't tell us a damn oh lot of bits. Damn post his tongue, the one blood clot places but God put it. Nicole, you post a tongue and rub between your blood clot leg like church bell. Go out with that, Tanya. Cause you should claim so she have your ticket.
She can't have my blood clot ticket. Cause Nicole know say she don't work. You don't work, Nicole. Make a reason with you. How careless people who don't work for tell people say for go look a job. That don't make no fucking sense cause you don't work. So how you fear tell me say me for go look a job? And you don't work. What's your job title, Nicole? A permanent blood clot dildo sewing by your tongue. You change out your tongue for a dildo. You don't have nothing about you know. You always the underneath woman underneath. Me don't know what kind of blood clot woman you can
get
be.
fired from the nursing home, Tanya?
She thief the people them something. The people them things miss her. And she molest the old blood clot woman. The woman talk. She suck the old woman pussy. And them catch her up on camera. She walk and suck pussy like dog.
Yep, same so.
Nicole, you can't blood clot rub me. Not
Where
dear.
she trying to rub your mother? Where's her mother?
Me I look for her mother for show you her mother picture. If me I look for show you. Oh, Nicole, mama ugly. Eh? You know for talk about people mother. No at all. Nothing. When you not rub people, when you can't talk about, when you son no sense. So did she go to jail? Yeah, them lock her up. Them blood clot lock her up. She walk everywhere and suck pussy. I remember, you know, she's not a lesbian, you know, she's a sodomite. A lesbian is a female who from the day they born, they know that they attractive to woman. But a sodomite is the one them where married try man feel them, and then them start suck pussy like dog. You understand? That is fucking Nicole. You understand? A king blood clot sodomite. Nicole, you can't rub me. You don't have nothing, Nicole. Nicole, you don't even have a good blood clot wig for your head. A pure party wig. Yeah? At the $1 shop, your blood clot shop, man, buy your old clothes, government, dirty, nasty girl. Why you boy you rub? You can't rub blood clot me. You can't rub me. You don't know nothing about me. Here I know. Tanya, you don't know nothing about me. She tell me, say me don't know nothing about her, you know. But yet still she read me my rights and I tell me about me. So if me don't know nothing about you, that mean you can't blood clot know about me.
But you know something about her, Tanya, because you're in the group for less than 2
weeks. In the group, and she in the group, I behave disgusting for a fucking big woman. I mean, I saw that fucking big woman, Nicole, you're 55-year-old. 55-year-old. I talk about my blood clot daughter, Amanda. Your daughter suck cocky like dog. Your daughter, you have a big sodomite daughter where you molest. Because you obviously she see her mama suck pussy, make she come out and suck pussy. I have a little orange blood clot daughter. We move out from you because the daughter say you're workless. You want she for work her money. Right? Let me show you Nicole blood clot mother. Nicole, when you talk about my blood clot mother, yeah? No, this one your sister. This one your sister, you know. Yeah, the same party week. Me I look for the mother picture. You can't talk about my nice mother. We're not talk about people mother.
Our sister look like Jamaica Avenue a while ago. Some clothes.
Yeah, sister. Our sister that. Let me look for your mother blood clot picture. Boy, I come talk about that woman is still bad still in a man.
Watch the our mother that no and our mother that the top.
No, the gorilla man. The big dirty gorilla man.
Double?
Yeah.
Hey, push
I come go like say Hugo want you. What I go and do? Hugo never want you. They say him have to learn, you know. Him have to learn. Him have to learn. Because him choose that fucking part. Say him have to learn it the hard way. Nicole, I'm gonna tell you blood clot something. Say Nicole. Look on Nicole. Look on Nicole face. When you look on that face, yeah, we are class people. Nicole not have nothing where blood clot look good. This blood clot all close government. Who had class people?
Look on her.
Look how you look in America. Fuck out of here, man. You can just like blood clot me.
No, if I ask her, she can't just like the Red Bull team.
Never. Uno look on Nicole. Uno look on her. Jesus Christ. Look at the woman.
And those pictures when she was a young girl. You can imagine her now.
Nicole. No, young. This is when she about 48.
Then let me tell you, that was a young girl days. No, look on her, she 57 now. We want to see her. She hiding at the age 57. When she did young, like 40s, in her 40s, she vexed with herself when she take picture, you know, so she vexed. She vexed with herself, say her face could have mashed up the people, them camera. That favor when you take picture at night time and some dopey screech upon you, put it up back there. And then the camera can
Nicole.
the back.
Now your sister wrote this. Look on her neck.
Look like them did
Look on
and then cut her off.
When you talk about people,
blood
talk about your blood clot family first.
Root look like them did hang her and hang them eye and then cut the rope. I want her neck fat, so.
Me see why your life sad, Nicole. Me see.
Watch there.
Oh God, I would sad if I was you. Me I look for the one where she kill the ass, the donkey. The man stay bad, you know, man. The man stay bad, man.
Big net root. My blood clot. Just store food in her neck.
Yeah.
If you love
Tanya,
one more time. Joe, but in the business with you, Tanya, you know. She look to me like she have a tire around her neck and walk with her. It she walk with. A tire around her neck, it makes her walk fast.
Yeah.
Good class. Tanya, I tell you, if you can't find the one when the woman I beg pussy, you know, find the one when she beg mama pussy. Beg pussy, Nicole.
Yeah, look to them, you know.
Beg pussy, Nicole.
All right. When you looking at Nicole house, Nicole accuse people. When you look on all that set that dinner table,
That
yeah.
rocking chair there.
When you cook on her.
I'm gonna tell you what it name vintage, old time vintage. Blood clot, Nicole, I want to have vintage or vintage. I am blood clot.
Nicole. No dear. Nicole, I laugh for you. That's so me easy I rub you. Watch our sister.
Watch our sister.
Look on our sister and the neck.
Our sister, if I went to Yap and fix up the Christmas tree and the Christmas tree fall long. She big ass man.
You can't chat to me. No dear. You can't chat to me, Nicole. How will Nicole favor you so?
I'll show that in the white.
No. In the purple. How will she go?
She have two on in her edge favor Shaga Beach. Go drink
Nicole,
water.
Go sit down, man. Go sit down, man.
You just find them look one every time she show. You can't find none of them say oh she obadoba. You have a big obadoba one fear which you big like her sister.
Yeah, look, man. What is this? Me I look, man. Cha. Dance me.
Stop your talk about you have two R in her head. That's not an at all. That's an horse. HORSE. An horse shoving in her head.
Hey, no watch ya. When she kill the donkey.
She favor the woman from the hill and gonna ride on.
Nicole, me not lie. Me not really hear. Hey, about Nicole husband.
Age of them side, the man stay bad now, blood clot. Nicola, when you sit in with them,
Nicole,
dirty man, you
I
grudge them.
woulda walk and shut down the place for true. Yeah, say my mother knows big. Your mama knows a big too.
Our
I
mother
woulda
that in
love
the
that.
back, our mother that in the two with the windshield glass on her face.
Yeah.
A windshield that on her face and a glass of her blood clot. Is a good thing so buy up to the
Your
time
blood
car.
clot and go from here so dirty pussy, Nicole. All blood clot. Hey, the woman stay bad with it. Watch the woman that. Them a call me red shoe, red boot. Come on, fear red boot. She a
I
bad.
mean, no, she shape bad no blood clot. Look on her.
Bad. Bad. No joke about it. The woman stay really blood clot
A long
bad.
time to see your picture, Tanya. Put up on your nice picture them. Put up on your dolly picture them. Make sure see what you look like.
Yet.
Nicola, you have hip in your side. Put up on
Them
your
say,
dolly blood clot
big
picture.
back,
Make sure
rubber
see how
back,
your
shutter
dolly.
back. My back, but me nice, no blood clot. Me nice.
Put up on your dolly picture them. I we name dolly over here. Wow. Look on blood clot dolly. Them dolly yourself on Christmas time. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Nicole, if you see that dolly there, I buy it right now. Nicole, I love so pussy till you have one little cat and you suck
Proud
the
of
cat pussy.
my man love my double decker back. Yeah.
Yeah.
I love it. I love it. Me not have a problem, you know. Me do have a problem with my man. Yeah, and him don't have a problem with me. I come talk about Auntie Dan, man don't have nothing. No. That's why them call him Stucky. Like that don't even rhyme,
Girl, that
bitch.
no rhyme. Girl, my husband have 5 brother. And one time him was small, him was the last baby brother. And the mother take care of him so much. Him eat, and him used so short and fat. That's why everybody said, Lord, I'm not call the woman name. That look one look clan stocky I saw that name, me child. Nicole, what you do underneath my blood clot husband, Nicole? Oh, you mean him not have nothing? Now that it mean him not have nothing in him pants. Nicole and my husband have 8 blood clot children. 8 blood clot children. And
Them
all
not
of
have
these,
nothing.
one baby mother give him 3, count Nicole. Me give him 1, make 4. Him have a next baby mother 1, make 5,
Oh,
Nicole.
the
You
woman still
understand,
say
Nicole?
she look good when she go Jamaica, you know.
Who that?
The
Who
dolly.
that?
The dolly.
Which one of them that? The can't see that woman the face. The woman look like such Havana or something there. Who that?
The dolly.
The big ugly broadback dolly.
Yeah.
The cabbage
Yeah.
fat looking dolly.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah. You have to show you that one, yeah. Up on the boat.
Lord goodness gracious Jesus Christ. Look on the blood clot knee cup on the foot back.
Jesus
What's
Christ.
between the leg there? So Nicole better go clean up right there. So.
Mm, God.
Whoa.
No, sir. Mm.
So somebody
When
has said something
ugly
at Tanya, I mean, I read it. Them say you got
cabbage
hard
patch
shoes.
dolly.
I mean, I read it.
Yeah. Really and truly. Nicole, go check yourself. Stop talking about people workless, cause you're workless. You're older than me, you don't have nothing. No.
Nicola
You
tongue
don't
have
own
a
a 2
Nicola
ounce.
have a STD tongue. Nicola with the STD tongue.
Yeah. You
Nicola,
don't own
your tongue coming
no
like a
2
broom.
ounce. I'm sure you know when time posted have the abscess on her foot. Can you think I lie me I tell? See big abscess there? You look, you know. So the big blood clot abscess them circle it, you know.
Let me
Shall
stop
I
the
lie? Me I
comment,
tell
make
you
them
know.
can't see it. Let me stop the comment, make them can't see it. Turn off comment, make them can't see it. I want to move the comment, but I can't get for move it.
Make it stay, man. Make it stay. Them can't see. You know, see. Okay. You can't see it, man. See big boy there. The big blood clot gun boil. So when you hear me attack, I say the woman have boil, she have boil for true, me not tell no lie. The woman nasty, she have diabetic because she like to cuss people. The woman look like she take out the gut, see the one. She know that woman here work still in no
But
man.
I want to say, then when she take them picture, you come on, man. Who do that look on the one teeth? Post my father 92-year-old, him out look like when him take out him dentures.
God, you serious. Nasty blood clot people. You can't chat to me. None of you can chat to me. All of you can talk about being nastiness. You underneath another woman pussy. None of you know how me and auntie that. We are older man now. Yeah, she have diabetic. And she don't want to take the med farming. She have it, the woman sick. Because the woman want for blood clot. Sit down and name six tub of ice cream to pussy clot. 6, you know, man. Ah, God. Auntie there?
But they are, oh, you mean if they are?
Yeah. You remember that day, yeah? Oh, God. I remember this
Oh,
man and him
Lord, when
baby.
Talia was born.
Hi, Karrlene. That them a good blood clot, father. I'm just lay down and just give him baby. I'm gonna move on a dirty blood clot and go.
Yes, I remember that day.
My pussy blood clot good. Nicole a 6 blood clot pitney. And if me did have any disease where you are say me couldn't have vaginal birth, me that have to have cesarean. And none of my baby them not disabled or blind. Matter of fact, if me did have herpes and my baby come out of my pussy, the baby can dead. When you go Google the things now, when you go Google the things and when you not talk about illusional madness, you know.
I still shut up about Tanya.
Nicole use her cuss and cuss people every time. What we tell you say everywhere Nicole go, Nicole me not kill up myself. Cause I'm so gone on my bed because none of you
But
can make
what
me
I don't
not
understand about Nicole,
sleep.
and I try to understand Tanya, if she talk about a man, she go on and eat them. If she talk, Nicole, if you
Yeah.
stop going for your blood clot, and stand up tall,
Everything she talk about, she go
Nicole,
underneath
the
you.
doctor
She go
have to go
underneath
in
your
your
foot.
throat and trim out here, like, go down for your knee too much and then pray.
Yeah. You understand? This a pussy down here, dan pussy down. If you go pick up her pussy in the dance hall, that don't make no sense. What are you saying? Because Dawn is
Nicola,
married and have her husband.
Nicola, you live in
You
New
don't make
York, me
no
live in New
sense,
York.
Nicole.
Any girl when not like blood clot gangster and companies, or any life and name 2 blood clot man when me gangster than fucking America. Girl, me no walk and chauffeur driven my pussy like you. Nicole, if you
Exactly.
can suck. Nicole, anybody tell about that in a ear say in a dance hall in a blood clot, Brooklyn. You understand me? Is a golden blood clot girl. You understand? Jamaica, me a legend. I carry my boy, my baby father blood clot name, bro, me blood clot, that legend. Yeah?
Let her know.
Tell
Stop
her the
blood
woman is
clot.
just a pussy eat and we can't help her because
Yeah,
everything she
she
got
like pussy very much.
is
Cause me I
pussy
think
for. She don't like it for
me,
the pussy and the bagger. So she like it because she can get some free pussy.
yeah, I live a dirty life.
That's why she
And they don't want to come talk about Nicole, you don't know nothing about me, Nicole. Nicole, oh, me know you. Me know you in the group. I behave like a slime bag as who you are. And it used to annoy the fuck out of me because I don't used to big fucking woman I behave so. And I talk about sucking and fucking and this and suck this a girl yeah. And yeah, War, Q, Queen, Christopher Ville, Gillian, Tracy, one piece of pussy blood clot war broke out in the group. Me and fret them and baby after say, what the fuck are going in this? Cause as far as I concerned, Nicole married and so she leave her house with her husband. So why Nicole come out and I behaved in this way? Why? I don't understand why.
Tanya,
So oh you pay a class me.
the nano shame woman make sure go and she go.
This woman life is sad. When me see oh she are behaving at the group.
When she set up the girl, you know, not carry around the girl name and I talk all kind of things about the girl.
And I she a mix up, you know. She a blood clot mix up. Everywhere she go. Mix up blood clot.
Christy Tracy, you want to catch up from
Of
other
course.
reasons? Because Tony was pregnant and I catch up on other reasons. But you know, say Queen start carry belly for the girl. And
Yeah.
it's because of jealousy Queen start carry belly for the girl. Eh?
Yeah.
You know that too.
Yeah.
Enough lies she tell upon the girl. You understand? Out of jealousy and she start want to create problems. She walk and tell her.
And she a pussy war this, you know.
Keep on the girl's side because she did violate.
Pussy war this. I mean know. Draw for your blood clot phone and show the people them if one, not even one blood clot voice note me never put because when I wake up and see the group and see the heap of pussy and cocky we are that show in there. I'm a link queen. Me in there for 1 week and me no talk. Because I believe flirting is a part of cheating. And me have my partner. You understand? So me I say, that's not my style. Me will come and me will cuss if you fuck around me, but they on the internet in a group, I flirt with people when me not know. On top of it, yeah, I flirt with woman. You understand? Me not depend blood clot that you can't bring pussy to my thing, girl. Where suck pussy, girl, Nicole? And you look goddamn awful if me for say me I gonna be a sodomite. Why the fuck me that want look on a girl like you for blood clot for mate with, eh? This still bad blood clot, girl. What me I do with you? What me a blood clot do with you? Talk pussy, Nicole. Nicole, you sick blood clot stomach. We are big fucking old woman. We are 56-year-old. Pussy and cocky. You understand? You lock up every blood clot thing in the world. You lock up clothes. You lock everything. Well, you can't rub me. You can't rub me. I be a fuck who no rub me with it, no. None of you no know me. None of blood clot, no. And that's sound nasty. All can come out of the mouth. Oh, fuck her brother. She want fuck her brother. And them blood clot nasty argument there. My brother never look for me intimacy yet. And them suck them. And I grow come see them suck them. And I know about no family ram thing. Remember say Puss father start fuck she from she 4-year-old, you know, so she grew up, you know, thinking that it's right to have sex with her father and her brother. Nothing like that in my family. You understand? And you know my use on a household and what go on a blood clot life. I come cuss people. I'm gonna tell me look on all the people them where cuss me sometime. I have to laugh and me I say, all them blood clot ugly girl yeah. Nasty mouth woman. Like you always under woman crutches, Nicole. You can't cut a girl without you. Me can't look for you and shell you down without me. Me have to underneath your blood clot hole because me is that a gynecology. You understand me only know about my pussy, me don't know about another girl pussy. Because me now walk and borrow no girl pussy. So you can't say my old done because there's so much years me a old a one man. Eh? All of them talking we pussy talk about take cousin man this that. She talk herself. She can't talk about me. You understand me a settle down blood clot girl. When me love a man, me sit down with him from long as him and make my needs. Yeah? Me I get everything, me I get money, me I get fuck, me I get loving, me I get everything. So me no need for go a road for go fuck for my man. Right? Nicole him supposed to use him nice blood clot 9-inch wood. Cause it nice. I it pussy mad over. I itchy the one, that's why she the one me send Karrlene come paint her house and me tell her that she pay Karrlene $1 million. Say you're mad, my man can't come and none of my friend them house. You crazy? Me don't know you like that. And that me make her know. And she said, then how you think? Me say no. Say you don't trust me. Wait, mama. Me say me not gonna tell you say me trust you, but me not really like when my man them talk to my friend them, you know. Me not trying that. Plus, me know Karrlene never ever go nowhere neither. Karrlene never like her. You understand? All she can't come for you and say, Karrlene a fuck the kids them. She can't say nothing no blood clot. More Nicole. Stop call Manda blood clot name. Stop call Manda name because you can't. You wish you would have my daughter pussy. My daughter pussy put on for much years now and don't have a man. Stop. Manda don't even depend on the internet like that anymore. And you call her blood clot name. Remember why your daughter move out left here, you know? Because you careless, you know. Your daughter say you careless and walk, say you don't want to go look no work. Remember say a welfare you sit down pan, you know, Nicole. Blood clot, welfare, you know, because you get fired in the nursing home, you know, you molest the old woman, you know, and teach the people them stuff. You have a pussy problem. I don't have a pussy problem. Me don't have a compass.
Our daughter move and go and left her and go be a different.
Our daughter move. Our orange blood clot daughter. Move out. You understand?
Move out and go and be somebody else's roommate.
Yeah. Stop worry about my blood clot daughter. Cause Amanda not trouble, you know. Why when me wanna argue, you can't leave my kids them alone and talk and just deal with blood clot me. Cause Nicole, you every blood clot live, yeah? Start, you're the first one for reach. So how you depend every live, but yet still you work. Big up yourself, official. Yet a working class person can't have so much time on them and like Auntie Dan, yeah? Come now and again. Come on her life because she work 5 days a week, right? She only can come sometime weeks. But you there everywhere you there. How you a fool boy you work? Who the fuck you a fool? Eh? Pussy down pan blood clot benefit if the benefit people them, right? Never stop our benefit and say you have to blood clot go work and you not get none. Let me tell you a big pussy girl, me, if me did I get benefit, me blood clot take it. But me not get me pay my own blood clot rent and pussy know that too. Cause enough time me and I used to discuss it when she laugh and I say, true you want man. I want man to live with you. I say my blood clot tell you something. My children them have to grow with them father. I'm not gonna make no benefit money, make me sit down and don't have a man in my house. So my man after they so with me and him children them.
Yeah.
Karrlene work and me stay home. My man work 5 days a week. Him work in a government own building. It don't open Saturday and Sunday. Right? So at the end of the day, we don't talk about if me did I get benefit, me would have take it. What would have stopped me from taking it? I would have taken it, but I'm not getting it. So we don't try to talk about all the depend on your daughter. Let me tell you something. My daughter, if Manda never sick, Manda would have depend benefit. So that work and gone and fly the nest and gone go live her life. But she feels safe around her mother. Because she knows her mother got her. Stop get my children then involved. Uno alone want dey on live. Uno want pull up the live. But as soon as you see me on live, oh, she for look. Remember, me tidy my house, wash, feed my baby them when before me come on live. Me not just run come on live.
And them to say your children them now miss school, Tanya.
And the baby them go school every day, and when them a go school, them clean and smell good. Beard and them ear. Every 5 to 4 weeks, me braid them ear. Me braid them ear. Of course, auntie, being a mother, a good mother, I know, me not talk no careless mother, I know. A good mother will dedicate herself to her children, them. Yeah, it's a fucking hard job.
It's a job that never ended.
Never fucking end. Come in there, so right now, and things can take a turn for the worse. The baby cannot try go down the stairs and drop broke her and that.
No,
right? Them,
God forbid.
God forbid. Them say me broke my hand finna get deport, but me never shit up the plane yet, post. You and your blood clot pitney them shit up the blood clot plane. Yeah? Me for broke my hand. Me broke my hand. Everybody who come in this country have to have immigration problem until them sort it out. But me and my kids them never shit up the plane. Your shit, yeah, you pitney them have a shit up blood clot problem. Go dirty woman. It hurts you. The boy gone.
Stop. We should try to sort out them youth before them end up back at Jamaica. Because them cannot live there because them they are UK too long. For go down they go suffer.
And when you talk about deport, try remember say your son get deport from England and him got Germany and him go get deport soon, go back a blood clot Jamaica again. Come like say you figure the things them we are going in a year life and want fabricate things. You know what puss do? Puss use for your life, you know. And cuss people, you know. Yeah? Your son, when them a send him home, him have a straight jacket and them put it and piss in blood clot self. Them never even give him a cup of water. And when him reach a Jamaica, you know say him gone. Boom. Them chop him, them stab him, them beat him. Right? Them eat him, I be sure. Try remember say you they on the phone with me. When you cry and I say them stab up your son. But them time there, me no know say I broke the people them shop. And them beat him. Me think the cashier give me the impression say, oh, because I'm having money and them taking 2 phone off of him and them rob him. Nothing like that. Me and you talk other day I say, you go give Black's toothbrush. But when your son come at the blood clot villa, me give him lotion. Me give him toothbrush, me give him toothpaste, me give him roll-on. I'm asking, say, dude, oh, you know walk with them something, yeah. And him say, no, I have none. Me give him soap. Yeah? Me give him rag. You understand?
Tanya, the way she live with your mother, your kids.
You understand? I'm a treat him, I'm a feed him hungry belly, blood clot, him never have no money. Me make him live like a king. So when you talk about where, me give your son skin, him a shed. Scaly, and me I say to him, say, you, oh, your skin looks so. I must say him have eczema. I say, no. And the eczema this. You see the same corabongo where they upon Hugo, and the same corabongo where they upon PR face. And it the little boy have upon him skin. And me give him one, you have a lotion over your name, Astra. Yeah, it have oil in it, glycerine. And be a them lotion there, like £6 for a jar. Now I'm blue buckle. And me give him one of that. And me give him a Dove roll-on. Me give him toothpaste, toothbrush, rag. Right? The clothes them when him come out, be a dirty clothes, be a stinking clothes. I'ma pay the girl 2,000 because We have a wash, you have a laundry room where them provide you with towel, but me did work with my towel them, right? So I go there and I say to her, say, my PR for washing machine there, you know. So she wash the towel them and bring them come back, and then I said, oh Mark, you know no clean clothes, I be a dirty clothes you come with. I said, give me them, and I give the girl them for she wash them and bring them come and give her a change. You understand? And you want to come hype and blood clot me. You want to come disrespect me. I'm never do nothing. More than me say, if you want the man, go out with the man and leave my mother alone. Stop come to me. My mother said this. This I want to say this. Me say, you don't know my family. I want it to stay that way there. You understand? My mother don't care who her son one day, but you hard for blood clot here, so you forever go get bring down. Him now stop bring you down, and him have enough things to talk to dirty woman. Enough
Hey,
things him have to
Tanya,
talk.
she say me go
Yeah.
talk to Hugo.
You don't go talk to Hugo. You come on the blood clot life and you're supposed to talk to him. A bunny her. She never knows that the table will fucking turn. You sit down and you allow a man and the whole of una some a pussy whole of una. You understand? Because when you have her over there with Hugo, none of una never come out and say, yo, cuss Tanya, leave the mother and leave the kids them. The whole of una laugh and now the table turn and she get back her medicine. And my mama lash it, this or that, disappointed, all type of name you no want to give. You understand? So him not for stand up for himself. Him for allow her to bring him down and I tell liar story. The boy have nothing to talk in a dirty woman. Dirty woman, you wait until blood clot market when the country people them are go away and I dash with the blood clot food them. Yeah? The one them all the tomato them with batter. When them dash them, she go pick them up.
Tanya,
How can you come from
you go tell me say man she got a town and she keep the woman tomato. The woman get up and say go and pay for them, you know. You know what she talk about? And you go say in turn I say put down the lady tomato. I pay.
yeah, of course, I should go I should go late too. Go pick up the rotten blood clot food them, the butter food them, where people touch up, and the market people them, dash them where them they should go town as a top class where you say you're rich, and you have this, and you live like a dead blood clot dog. Bitch, when me got Jamaica, me live in a style. Me living in a air condition every blood clot day. Yeah, and when me I go road, me have me drive. And anywhere me pick them so them want go eat. If me say me nah cook and me no feel for cook, me just call up the man who carry me go anywhere. And me say, listen, me want go there so kids them want have something. Nothing. Not too good. Me can't go a blood clot Jamaica live pan tin mackerel and chicken back. Don't get me wrong, people. Me love tin mackerel and me love chicken back. Yeah? But me couldn't go to Jamaica, go sit down and feed pan them something there. You understand? Me live life. Me carry my kids them, you don't go nowhere. You don't ever go down River Fall, go climb the blood clot falls. You understand? All you do is sit down every blood clot do you want talk about you got family your obsession that come talk about the man obsessed with you and the man you don't know him. Cause if you didn't know him, if you didn't listen to me, you would not get that bring down there. Yeah, you don't know him. Stop with the madness. But I saw the dirty man stay. I saw him stay. The man I fear war with you because you want the man live dirty life. You don't have you don't want beard. When I come out and I tell people say yeah, beg the man for fuck you, are your own sister. Me chat to the one at Jamaica, and you beg the man for fuck you. And the boy I tell her say him can't sleep with you because you smell. Eh? And you want to come talk to blood clots before you look for me, you say clean from head to blood clot too. My hygiene up.